Here's a simple and easy recipe for a vegetarian pasta dish that's perfect for bachelors. Ingredients: 1 pound of pasta, your choice of shape. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 can of diced tomatoes. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon of dried basil. 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, optional. Half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Instructions: cook the pasta according to the package instructions until al dente. Drain and set aside. In a large saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the minced garlic and cook until fragrant, about 1 minute. Add the canned tomatoes, salt, pepper, basil, oregano, and red pepper flakes, if using, to the saucepan. Stir to combine. Let the sauce simmer for about 10 minutes, or until it has thickened slightly. Add the cooked pasta to the saucepan and toss to coat with the sauce. Sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese over the top of the pasta. Serve hot and enjoy. This pasta dish is a quick, easy, and delicious meal that can be made with just a few ingredients. It's perfect for busy bachelors who want a satisfying meal in no time.